have a feeling this video is going to be one of the really good hairstyles that look good on me. I got a tickle under my toes. This is going to be a good one. This is Harlem 125, and this is Kima Wind Wave in 8 inches. I bought color 1, color 1B30, color 30, and color 27. I'm going to show you how the hair looks. This is how it looks in the package. I'm going to show you the curl pattern. That's how it looks. And this is how easily it splits. The only other different thing I'm going to use is this Kima, I believe this is Ripple Deep in 613. I wanted a little bit of bright color, and I didn't have the bright color in the same curl pattern. They're both curly. They don't look too different. So I'm sure I can wing it. And since it's a little long, I'm going to cut it in 2. And I'm going to use that. Just going to feather the ends a little bit. I have my hair in cornrow. Let me show you. I have 20 braids. Let me come closer. Girl, I can't get up. Oh. Oh my God. Okay, I'm up now. Whew, I'm breaking a sweat. Let me show you. Okay, so I have 20 braids. They're joined together, so they're not too many in the back. This is the back. I really like that 1B30 look. It's pretty. To the 1B30, I'm going to add the color 30. Here's the color 30. Y'all see? Something very rich looking about mixing the 1B and the 30. This is just plain 30. So I'm going to put these two together. Here comes color 27. Here's the look of 27. I'm going to add it to it. And this is what we have. Pretty, isn't it? I look at the hair and then I want to build my own art. I want to do my own thing. I want to throw this here, throw that there. I know that in my old videos, some people suggest, why don't you just pre-mix the hair? Perhaps it would be easier on the time. That's true. But a person that's very artsy, I think I would prefer to build my own as I go. Color 1. So here is everything with color 1. I will be throwing in a little bit of the 613. I like to mix colors. And here's a 613 in between there. So can y'all see like the look of this whole thing? Alright, so let's build our crochet.
Thinking about your love.
Yeah. Everybody get chopped down. Play sleep up like helicopter. When them see the lyrical doctor.
Enyo. Master camera no.
Okay.
I forgot to oil my scalp. I'm going to use this kaleidoscope. This is supposed to help your hair to grow. I don't know if it works or it doesn't. All I know is it makes my scalp kind of itch. So you see me scratching my scalp a couple of times. I think it's just like it makes your hair follicles just alive and you start to feel them, and the tingly effect makes me itch a little bit, but I mean not like really bad itching. So I'm trying that, and this one that I'm using is the ordinary argan oil. like mixing as I go. I use a black, then I use a brown, and I just realized that I wasn't so crazy about the black. So I was using more of the color 30 and the 33, the 1B30. The black just was not working for me, so I used the black very sparingly. So yeah, take that out, and I'm going to use that. Realize that I shorten one end of the hair before I put it in. That helps it to give it that layered look, okay? And this technique I saw from another YouTuber, and I wanted to try it, where when she pulls the hair out, she only pulls like one leg out of the loop, and just wanted to try it, and so far it made the hair look good. So I did that towards the back of the hair, and from the front part of my hair, you will see that I absolutely used my technique where I just loop one strand, like just do one loop, and then I do the slip knot to secure the knots. You'll see. Pull the hair through, take the loop, pull the strand through the loop, twist the loop and pull the strand through again, and then I'll take a small piece of the hair and make a slip knot to secure it down. And that's what I do for the front, and this makes the hair kind of look like almost like micros or something. Like, it makes it look, it hides the knots better. So for those who don't know how to take out crochets, this is what you do. You take your scissors, cut the top of the knot, and just pull the hair out. Okay, so that's how you take out this whole thing. If you don't know how to take out crochets, that's how you do it. I am going to link also my video that says this is the best crochet style ever, and when you watch that, look for the timestamp that's in the description box, and that will show you how I knot the hair. If you didn't really catch it here, you can watch the video and also see how I really knot the hair for my crochet for this style. Okay, and this is how much hair I have left. So technically I'll say I used 3 packs because I have this much left. Thank you, baby. Trying to see. That's my big boy. He says you look so beautiful.
So I'll decorate that, Mommy.
Huh? I'll show it to Korea. Yes, I will. All right, let me finish my video.
We're doing video.
You guys.
Beautiful.
Daddy, can I record? Can I finish? I need to talk in the video. So can you not cannonball right now so I can talk a little bit? You can come back in like 5 minutes, okay? I told you. I knew this hair was going to be nice. I knew it. So cute. Oh, I can do a center part if I want. I can do a center part. I can do a side part. I like my extreme side part this way. Everybody has a little cute side, right? And I think this is like my cute side. So, guys, this hair, I can't wait to cut it. Like, all right, let me put my mousse in. I'm excited. Yo, listen, because of this whole what's going on. I've just been in a rut. Like I've been doing my hair like wash and goes, using gels, just trying new natural hairstyles and just doing different things. I don't dress up, I don't put on makeup, I don't go anywhere, I just eat. I'm getting fat. But just this hair makes me feel alive again. Like I love crochets, guys. So cute. I like it. I really like it. Wear some more. And this. Oh, forget it. That didn't give you no ASMR. So I got my mousse and my polisher. And I'm going to just rake that in the hair. So something about this hair almost looks like a curly version of Ocean Wave, which is cute. Y'all need to try this hair, man. This is so cute. I think this is gonna be one of my most favorite hairs. Y'all know I love that Ocean Wave that I did from Amazon. Alright, let's see how it looks in the back. Honestly, yeah, guys, I'm going to put my I'm going to put some edge control, some makeup and all that tomorrow, and then I'll show you guys how the whole finished product looks like. Everything that I use, my mousse, my edge control, the hair, the oil that I put in my scalp. I'm going to put everything in the description box. If you're interested, you can get it for y'all. See, I'm glad I didn't pre-mix and I just put the hair in as I went, because then I can decide what to put when, you know, like I can custom mix it, you know what I mean? See, I like that. I can custom mix it. Like if I split it here, this is like a different story of colors. You see some blacks, you know what I mean? So anyway, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Good night. I'm ready to talk to you guys. It's 12:48, so in about less than 15 minutes I will be going on live to talk to you guys. So excited. I'll see you on the other side. Bye.